So most of you guys look at the plane and think of becoming pilot. But who actually ensures that multi-million dollar aircraft is completely safe to leave the ground? It's the aircraft maintenance engineer. Yes, वो aircraft maintenance engineer ही होता है जो ग्राउंड पे जहाज को साइन करता है, फिटनेस सर्टिफिकेट देता है कि जो एयरक्राफ्ट है वो फिट टू फ्लाई है, देन पायलट उसको उड़ाने के लिए ले जा सकता है. और आई हैव गिवन लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस अबाउट एयरक्राफ्ट मेंटेनेंस इंजीनियरिंग. सो इफ यू वांट एनी इंफॉर्मेशन, any knowledge about aircraft maintenance engineering course, you can directly visit my all the videos. So as you all know that India's aviation sector is booming, and if you have the passion for aircraft machinery, so let me tell you, there is a premier place to launch your career. Yes guys, same School for Aircraft Maintenance Engineering situated in Greater Noida is a premier place to launch your AME and aviation career. There is a modern campus facility, state-of-art avionics labs and smart classrooms. And guys, let me tell you that this same School for Aircraft Maintenance Engineering is promoted by Interglobe Group. And as you all know that Indigo is the powerhouse behind the same. And I'm sure most of you guys ask about the approval from the DGCA. So let me tell you that same is the state-of-art training institute fully approved by DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Government of India under CR 147. They offer highly intensive 2 years aircraft maintenance engineering course in 2 different streams. The first category is B1.1, it means aeroplane turbine, and the second one is B2 avionics. The B1.1 is for mechanical enthusiasts, those who love working in engine, mechanical system and complex hardware type. And avionics is for the tech minds. It's focused on digital heart of the plane, avionics system, electrical system, instrument system, communication system, navigation system and many more. So these are some basic details about same. And now let's talk about the game changer, the Indigo AME Cadet program. So here is the absolute headline news for the academic year 2026-2027. Same, in exclusive collaboration with Indigo, has launched its Indigo AME Cadet program. So I'm sure many of you guys wanted to know how this Indigo AME Cadet program works. So it works in basically 3 phases. The first one is the selection, the second one is the dual training program, and the third one is the placement pathway as per reports shared by same. First one, how the selection process. So in selection process in B1.1, total 30 students are selected through strict written examination, and final interview is directly conducted by Indigo itself. Let's talk about the second one, dual environment training. Your theoretical training will be facilitated in Indigo's world-class institute in actual classrooms, but your practical knowledge is directly given in Indigo's hangar itself, aircraft maintenance engineering hangars. Now let's talk about the third point and most important point, the placement pathway. यानी कि आप placement कैसे लोगे? तो in this particular thing you have to clear all your DGCA modules and compliance term with Indigo जो starting में आपने sign किया होगा. Then after Indigo will give you direct offer as a junior cadet AMEs. So this whole process will prevent you from endless job hunting. आपको इधर उधर भटकना नहीं पड़ेगा. Okay, so now in last stage, let me talk about the eligibility and the admission process. The first point is eligibility. If you have passed class 12th with physics, chemistry and mathematics with minimum 50% marks or equivalent degree or diploma, then you are eligible for this program. Now let's talk about the selection process. Those who are from maths background, don't worry about the JEE score. Your selection is done directly by the internal entrance test conducted by the same itself. And third and very important is the batches. So there are limited number of seats available. So if you want to apply, if you are interested in this program, then you have to enroll it very fast. With India fast becoming the world's 3rd largest aviation market in the world, the demand for the licensed engineers, licensed aircraft maintenance engineers are increasing day by day. And you can also visit the same official website for all the details and for the application. Okay, so don't just watch aeroplanes take off, be the reason they can fly. Drop your questions down in the comment box. If you have any question, you can ask. If you are from AME background, if you are from aviation background, then you can also subscribe the channel for latest aviation news, updates, any video about AME, pilot, salary, job vacancies, because from many times I was not active, but अभी मैं active हो गया हूँ. So आप subscribe कीजिए channel को और see you soon in next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do double, but please don't trouble anybody. I can see you. Chand.